Hey there! Ever wondered how businesses promote themselves online? Welcome to our quick guide on digital marketing. Digital marketing is all about promoting products or services using digital channels such as websites, social media, search engines, and email. Let's break it down. First, there's website optimization. Your website is the cornerstone of your digital presence. This involves search engine optimization, or SEO, to ensure your site ranks high on search engines like Google. Next is content marketing. This means creating valuable content like blog posts, videos, and infographics to attract and engage your audience. Social media marketing is another key component. By leveraging platforms like Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn, you can reach your audience where they spend most of their time online. So, why is digital marketing so important? First, it allows for targeted audience reach. You can tailor your marketing efforts to specific demographics, interests, and behaviors. Second, it's cost-effective. Digital marketing often costs less than traditional marketing methods while reaching a broader audience. And third, it provides measurable results. Tools like Google Analytics let you track and analyze the performance of your campaigns in real time. Don't forget email marketing. It's one of the most effective ways to nurture leads and maintain relationships with customers. Lastly, there's pay-per-click advertising, or PPC. Platforms like Google Ads allow you to pay for top positions on search engines, boosting visibility quickly. Thanks for watching! If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on digital marketing and growing your online presence. Happy marketing!